Welcome back to the MTB Dudes YouTube channel. If you're here because the algorithm sent you, well, you're probably in the wrong place. But if you're a mountain biker and you somehow slipped through the cracks, you've done the impossible. You've bypassed the algorithm's bullshit. You should probably quit your day job and start a YouTube channel. And if you're not a mountain biker, well, stay tuned. You're about to watch a grown man willingly ride down chaos just because his dumbass has a YouTube channel to run. Today's adventure, we're hitting the Lime Kiln Trail, located in Cottonwood, Arizona. The trail that starts off like a relaxing desert cruise and ends like it's trying to send you OTB off a side of a cliff. This is one of those rides where you're vibing, you're flowing, you're thinking, damn, mountain biking is actually peaceful. And then Lime Kiln hits you with a technical section like, wake up princess, we're not done yet, not even close. You thought we were just cruising today, you dumb shit. The top half of this trail is pure bliss. It's smooth, it's fast. It's the kind of downhill where you can lean back, breathe, and pretend that you are riding an e-bike. For a few glorious minutes, you're convinced mountain biking is easy. You're convinced your life is finally stabilizing. Hell, you're convinced you might actually have your shit together, and you're like, man, this is why I love mountain biking. And then out of nowhere, Lime Kiln throws a rock garden with line choices that looks like it was designed by a drunk-ass rattlesnake. Your bike goes from smooth desert glider to shopping cart with a broken wheel in half a second. Your brain is buffering, and your suspension is reconsidering its life choices. By the time you clear it, you're sweating like you just outran a mountain lion, your heart rate is somewhere in the stratosphere, and you're questioning every life choice that led you to this exact moment in the desert. And then, because you're a mountain biker, you immediately think, that was the shit, let's run it back. And look, I know some roadies watch these videos just to get offended, so let me help you out. Roadies parade around like they're the god of endurance because they can maintain a straight line on pavement smoother than a hotel lobby floor. Look, you're basically a self-propelled leaf blower terrified of anything that isn't perfectly flat and government approved. Roadies hit a tiny patch of gravel and immediately enter a near-death experience. Mountain bikers hit a boulder the size of a family sedan and call it a warm-up. But honestly, none of this matters because the YouTube algorithm is absolutely crushing it at sending my videos to the exact wrong people. YouTube is like, perfect. Let's recommend this to a 28-year-old mama's boy who hasn't seen sunlight since 10th grade in gym class. These guys are still in their parents' basement, wearing a headset fused to their skull, talking shit to a 12-year-old during a Call of Duty match. And the algorithm is like, this is the audience for the MTB Dudes mountain bike videos. Come on. They don't even ride a bike, they don't know what a hike is, and they don't even walk to the mailbox. They sure as hell don't care about real life, let alone mountain bike videos. But hey, Maybe one day they'll crawl out of the basement, blink at the sun like a confused cave salamander, and think, damn, maybe I should try mountain biking. Anyway, the last stretch of Lime Kiln is pure Cottonwood magic, fast, flowy, a little loose, a little sketchy, exactly the kind of downhill that makes you forget every bad decision you've ever made. You roll back into the parking lot feeling like a hero, even though the trail absolutely humbled your soul about 10 minutes earlier. If you enjoyed the ride, hit that like button, subscribe for more desert MTB adventures, and drop a comment if you've ridden this trail, or if you're brave enough to try it. Until next time, stay hydrated, stay away from roadies, and keep shredding. See you on the next ride.